Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our vlog. It's the weekend and we're headed to the ocean, like the real ocean, the real live beach, Pacific Ocean. We're going there today. It's a girls' day with Carson. So we got my mom back there and Keaton back there, Ketty, me, there's Carson. We just made a quick stop at Starbucks. We got a major discount thanks to this working girl, and we're going to the ocean. Let's go. Okay, we made it to the ocean. We're in Ocean Shores, Washington. It took a long time. Traffic was bad. And then we took the scenic route when we got to a town where we had to, anyway. We're getting some lunch. Of course, we stopped at McDonald's. I messed up our orders. My mom and I wanted iced tea, and I got us the wrong size, and they didn't give us straws, but we can get straws at Subway. We're at Subway now, so we're gonna get Subway for lunch. But Keaton's back there. She got her Happy Meal. Carson's eating his lunch.
Kinda.
Don't worry, we're not moving, you guys. We're parked. And we're hoping to take our food. The beach is like a block down the street, so we're hoping to take our food and eat it at the beach.
Yeah.
All right, Subway.
A little bit onion.
And we're here. We made it to the ocean. I wish you all could smell it. It smells like fish. And we're parking right on the beach. Just like everybody else. You can come park your car on the beach, drive it on here, have a picnic. It's not even very cold.
We got food, homies.
Hi.
We got Subway. You see, we got Subway. And Grammy got Subway.
Oh, I don't need 3 Splenda.
Oh, it zoomed in really far. There we go. We got Subway.
We didn't get our straws from McDonald's. Oh well, we'll make it work.
So Mom got a Bolt, BLT. I got a Turk, which is a turkey sandwich. What did you get?
Steak and cheese.
Steak and cheese. And Bean got Mickey D's. So yeah, ocean.
Kennedy Sandcastle.
It's not done yet.
Are you making your own?
Oh, you're using it.
I did it!
Good job.
And it's Carson's first time at the ocean. Do you love it? Do you love it out here? Ow. Is it so cool?
It's complete.
Oh, it's gonna be in her hair. Oh my gosh. What? Rocks.
We're keeping this one.
Keaton, look, there's a crab leg up here. A crushed sand dollar?
Yeah. It's seafoam.
That's a crab, I think. Oh man, it is coming. Whoa! The tide's coming in! Yeah, roll them up a little bit. Are your feet really cold? Yeah. Did you come to see us? Did you come to see us? You didn't want to be back there?
It was so.
She comes up to me. Goes, Kitty, the sand over there is clicking sand.
Clicking?
Clicking.
Clicking sand. That's cute. Clicking sand? Oh, lots of crab parts. Wow.
Gosh, look at. I don't know what the.
What? What? What is that?
I don't know.
Give me something to touch it with. Give me a shell.
No, those are my precious.
I'll put it back.
No, I don't want it to touch that.
Oh, he will. Ew, yeah, what is that? Oh, it's filled with sand.
It's just sand.
Weird.
Weird. Interesting.
Okay, we're on a mission to get water. It's coming in quick. Did you get it? Here, let me try, honey. Do you want me to try?
Yeah.
The tide is coming in, so we had to move the car back. It's way back there now.
I found more.
Pretty. Keaton's got her Barbie out here now.
Uh-oh, I jumped her up.
There it goes.
Bye-bye.
Oh gosh, Keaton, get your thing! Oh, oh
Keaton, grab it. That's yours.
oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh,
You
no.
saved her! You're not happy.
Everyone's in the sand so bad.
Are you mad? Because you can't roll around everywhere?
And they're
Alright, trying to get Keaton cleaned off. She really doesn't want to go, but we gotta go. Okay, try to brush the sand off of your feet. There's lots of little shops around here, and this is one of them we're going to come into. Treasures by the Beach, Antiques and More. And I also saw a sign for soft serve ice cream down the road.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Okay, let's go.
In it. A really old pencil.
Oh, a pencil box thing? It's metal. What's this? They have Pyrex in here. I like this one. Oh my gosh, my grandma used to have these coffee pots, coffee mugs. Not the green, just the brown.
Chocolates.
Keaton asked if Ketty found a treasure chest. What isn't it?
Chocolate.
It's an old chocolate box.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I thought that was chocolate.
Do you know how to do this? Do you know what this is?
Yes.
What is it?
Phone.
It is a phone. How does it work?
I don't want to call anybody.
It's not hooked up.
Oh,
Do you know what you do?
I can
You know. Yeah, these old toys. Oh, these old dolls.
Look at these old things.
The little babies. Wow. Okay, we stopped and got ice cream. We got soft serve ice cream. Kennedy got lemon meringue.
And a waffle cone. This is the junior size.
Junior size. Keaton, what did you get?
I got strawberry.
Yummy. All right, everyone. We are back from the beach. We had a really good, it was short, but a really good time there. And I was telling Shad, like, we need to go again and just like plan a little more ahead of time and just take just like a picnic lunch there and not have to stop anywhere for food. Just go there, spend the time at the beach. And then I guess there's some other like good shops there that we missed, a shark shop or something. And thanks, Gina, for that heads up. I need to check into that. So anyway, it was really good and beautiful. The weather was just fine. And yeah, it wasn't even that long of a day. It's like it took us like 3.5 hours to get there and a little less to come back, I think, but it was really nice. So we just wanted to close out this vlog by doing a grocery haul with you guys. So that was really weird. Grocery haul. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, we're gonna do a grocery haul and it's from Target. Usually I get all of our groceries from Fred Meyer, like our main staple of groceries, but we have shipped for free. Target has the regular prices, where Fred Meyer, they raise their prices. I got everything from Target. It's not even that much money, I didn't get tons of things, but it's enough for some meals this week and stuff like that. So let me show you what we got. So I was out of iced tea, so we got some Gold Peak iced tea. We're gonna have potato soup sometime this week, so I got 2 things of cream cheese, 1 thing of hash browns that we put in our potato soup. I got some light Cool Whip, some carrots, because I think I'm gonna make like a beef stew. And this is what they substituted. So I don't even remember what I tried to order, but they said they were out, would these work instead? So these are sirloin steak strips. Can these go in beef stew? Shad's nodding yes. All right, we're gonna do it then. Shad needed coffee creamer. Oh good, I was worried I didn't get the right kind. Hazelnut, yay. We got a bag of salad mix. This is the only non-food item I got, with some dusting spray. We got the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix and 2 packages of Jell-O that you were really excited about. Not Jell-O, pudding. So you guys, I have got to lose weight, and part of my problem is I want dessert all the time. I don't eat that much of other food. Really, I don't during the day. It's sweet stuff. So instead of buying ice cream, I got sugar-free Jell-O to use as my sweet treat, and I really just need to cut back, and I'm hoping that this will help so I can lose some weight. We needed some vegetable oil, so I got that. We got some fruit snacks for Keaton, some goldfish for snacks at school, some baby red potatoes. These are really soft. Uh-oh, that's a real bummer. These are like almost bad. They're okay. We might just try to use them up really quickly, but... and then we got some chicken broth to go in the potato soup and beef broth to go into the beef stew. So that's it. That's all we got. Again, not tons of things, but we didn't need a whole lot. We have a few things left over from last week, and this was just so much more convenient. The only bummer was they didn't have any, like their strawberries. They didn't have, I also got a bag of frozen green peas. Shad already put those in the freezer for me. So our Target isn't like a super Target. Even though they try, it's not like a full-on super Target. None of our Targets around here are like that. When we went to Arizona, oh my gosh, that was so amazing because it was like a legit full-on, full-service grocery, deli, bakery, produce section. This is like probably a produce section as big as our island in our kitchen. It's okay though. We got enough things for this week, and I didn't buy any candy or anything, just the chocolate pudding with a little bit of light Cool Whip to go on top of it. So that'll be my treat for this week. Tell our friends what you just told me.
I drink Diet Coke and Coke today.
You drink Diet Coke and Coke today? At church? Who had that? Who gave it to you?
They were doing something where like we see what's the difference
In your class or
outside where you do worship.
when you weren't doing worship? I'm really confused. Like in your class, they gave you Coke and Diet Coke? In your class? What was the point of it? I mean, I know to see like if you could taste the difference, but did it have to go with like a Bible story or?
No.
Then what was the point of it? Did someone bring in their own drinks and you tried it or?
Yeah.
Or did the teacher have them?
I think the teacher had them.
I'm gonna have to look into this. Was it good? Oh no. She has never drank pop in her life till now.